Where?
Over there. You see the ice?
What kind of animal is that?
I don't know. There's so much inside over there. Wow! This is 100 dollars in it.
Ang dami ng turtle, no? Ang dami nila, oh.
Oh! Oh, look, Dad! The inside!
Wow, ganda. Grabe.
You can touch it. There's another iguana! Whoa. It's a crocodile. Dad, it's a crocodile.
Saan?
You see it? That's a crocodile.
Di ka natakot?
Yeah.
Takot ka, hindi?
No, that's dangerous.
That's dangerous?
Yeah.
Can you
Whoa.
Can you read its scientific name? Read it. Crocodylus porosus.
Whoa! That's big crocodile. Why does show my water? The crocodile is not swimming.
Sige, diretso.
Oh, there's fish over there.
Same ng kamukha ng mga fish natin, no? Kel, no?
Yeah, look, there's
Ito, koi fish, Kel, oh.
what?
Ganyan yung fish natin sa ano, eh. Kaya lang maliit pa.
There's a that's no. Wow, there's a mountain over there.
Kel, dito.
Over here. Whoa. You see that? Yeah.
What?
Goat, come here.
Yeah.
Come here. Let's feed them.
The big crocodile. Okay.
This is a
What is
iguana.
name? What?
Iguana.
Crocodile.
You want to touch it? You can put that.
Yeah, its name Crocodile Mitchell. That this is they're started in iguana oil. Are you ready? Yeah, what's the animal? Well, we're here now. Yes, we're here. Where is this place?
Dito muna tayo, Kel.
Why is this place? Oh, boat. Dad, it's a pond. Did the anchor eat the fish, boys?
Ay, ang laki. Aro. May shark, Kel, oh. Ayun, shark, Kel, oh.
Where?
Ayun, yung isa. Ayun, oh. Shark.
Yan?
Parang.
Yeah, that's a shark. Dad, you see the fish? Yeah? I see the fish.
Ah, wala. Wala yung fish ngayon.
No, there.
Nagano sila, pumunta kaya, no?
Hey, Dad. There's ship over there. Oh, there's a high.
Give me your hand.
There's Dad. There's ship. There's ship over there, Dad.
Oh,
Why are you doing over here? Oh, there's another ship. Well, guys. What? Go. Dad, there's chicken. Dad, there is chicken.
Saan ka nakakita ng chicken, Kel? Bukod dito, saan?
Over the basket.
Baluarte?
Yeah.
Kay Papa?
Yeah, wow.
Tingnan mo muna yung ano. Ano naman yan? Ano yan?
Oi. Oi, dog.
Is it horse?
Yeah,
Baby.
it's a horse. Dog. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that's so big. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 turtles.
5 sila.
5 turtles in here. Ooh, this.
Anong masasabi mo dito, Kel?
This is bear.
Bukas, saan mo naman gusto? Sa? Hindi. Saan? Sa Dinosaur Island naman. Bukas.
No. Subik sa pawi. There's so many lion.
Naku. Ano yan? Picture kita dyan. Bilis.
No.
Tara. Picture kita. Akala kong big boy ka na. Ba't takot ka? Ano lang yan eh. Samento lang yan. Sige, diretso. Up! Up, Kel! Yan, yan. Sige. Ay, ano kasi to, Kel?
That bear.
Bear?
What's the
Wala yung bear. Tulog.
dog?
Brown bear. Ayun, sa taas, Kel.
Where?
Ayun oh. Ayun oh, tulog oh.
Yeah. A brown bear. Yeah.
Brown bear, no? Pag kumulan na ito, takbuhan tayo sa kotse na. Ayun oh, slip siya.
There's so many animals. Yeah, that will be the cage. I don't want a bed bear. I don't want a bed bear. That's the cage.
Ay, black bear, Kel oh. Ayun oh, naglalakad oh.
Yeah, black
Ayan na.
bear.
Dalawa sila oh. Ayun yung isa. Medyo kawig mo nga yung isa eh. Oh.
That's a big bear. Come on, let's go. Hey, over here. Let's go over here.
Sandali lang, wait ka lang. May nagpipicture.
We are going.
Ah, upo muna tayo dito. Ayun oh, black bear no?
I'm done.
Ba't ang konti?
Hello.
Hmm.
Abe! What's the big? So I have to.
Diretso, Kel.
There's the bear now. There's a big bear.
Ako, nakakita na ako ng ano niyan, wild sa Alaska.
Oh.
Oo, nakakatakot pag wild, sa wild.